Want to make some more money from home? I got you, fam. With more and more of the world going remote, from the thing that shall not be named, rhymes with Ovid, the way in which we work has followed suit. Apps such as Zoom and Teams have helped us all connect and get our day-to-day done. Companies are also realizing that they can utilize the global workforce. Stick around as we cover 5 companies that will pay you to work remotely from home. As ever, don't forget to drop a comment below, don't forget to drop a like and a subscribe so you can stay up to date with all new videos. And here we go. So first we have Apple. Yes, Apple will pay you to work remotely for them. For those who love Apple and are passionate about their products, this could be perfect for you. Whenever a customer of Apple has a problem, they contact their customer service team, either via phone call or IM service. This will be where you come in. Being a remote worker for Apple gives you full access to the support functions you would need, as well as discounts of being a full-time employee. Now, as you can imagine, new roles are limited. If you're going to work remotely, you're going to want to work for a company like Apple, right? Because, it's Apple. They're a huge organization and people are very passionate about their products and services. However, saying that, don't let this put you off. Regularly check their website for any job applications that come out for remote working and make sure you put yourself forward. So next we have Slice the Pie. Slice the Pie pays you for listening to music and advert jingles and pays you for the review. Yes, this is a thing. Slice the Pie also offers a wide variety of music genres. Upon signing up, you can choose which genres of music you want to review. Now, you can select everything, but you're probably going to want to do this for music you like to listen to, not just listen to music. As mentioned as well, you get to review advert jingles. Those little sounds that you hear at the end of adverts along with the company logo. The better quality your reviews, the more they will pay you. This is based on a ranking system that uses stars, 1 to 5. The higher you are, the more you get paid per review. In being that if your profile is a 5-star, you will get paid the most for every review that you do. Now, this won't make you a millionaire. At most, you will make a few pounds extra an hour. However, if you're passionate about music, this is something you may want to consider. They also have a section dedicated to fashion and app reviews. However, at this point in time, I haven't had access to that yet. If you are interested, I've left my referral link below. So next we have market research companies. Now, although this isn't one, I'm putting this here because I absolutely love doing this. I mean, who doesn't want to get paid for their opinions, right? Market research offers amazing earning potentials up to £100 per hour. Projects range from one-to-one calls to group discussions to community projects that can span over a couple weeks. Topics range from anything from your favourite fast food to home decorating to your shopping habits. Now, you won't get accepted for every single one and you have to be fast when you get the emails. Additionally, some of these companies will remove you for 3 to 6 months upon doing a research with them. Basically, they don't want to keep using the same people for different researches. I left the links below to some of the companies that I work with. Please don't sign up to any research companies that ask for money up front. I mean, after all, why would you want to pay to get work to get paid? So next we have Rev.com. Rev.com will pay you to convert audio and video files to text. If you're grammatically gifted, this is for you. You can find a bit of everything in here, speeches, interviews, you name it. Now, they have a pretty strict test that you need to complete before they start offering you live work. However, if language and grammar is your thing, give it a whirl because you could make some extra money. Next we have Humantic. Humantic are a call reviewing company. Mad, right? They will pay you to listen to calls, write a review and submit it. Now this is a middle of the road kind of earner. You're looking at between £6 to £8 an hour for the work you do with them. However, putting in a couple hours every evening will help you generate some really nice returns. So lastly we have Modsquad. Modsquad offer remote working opportunities that you can fit around your life when you can work. This includes moderation, customer service, social media management, community management, a whole variety of work. Sectors range from gaming to technology to sports. Chances are, if you're passionate about something, you will find work with Modsquad. They advertise huge partnerships on their websites with organisations like NFL, Warner Brothers and Harry Potter. So it's a great opportunity to work with some great brands. So I hope this video has helped show you how easy it is to make money working remotely. There's nothing stopping you signing up to these companies and making some extra money. If there's any other companies out there that you use, I'd love to hear from you, so please share them in the comment section below. Jazz out!